Here's how you use Kapwing or Kapwing, sorry, I don't know how it's called, to add subtitles. You need to have the video you want downloaded to your computer. Once you log in, you create a new project, you click to upload, and you find the video that you want to subtitle, and you open it up. Then you simply click on Subtitles and Auto-Generate. Well, I auto-generate. If you want to, you can type in subtitles. Auto-generate. Then you want to click on Translate, select the language. Mine's in English, and then select the language you want to change it to. It does do Spanish. It does not do Pashto, which makes me sad. There is Persian. I think there's Persian. There's something. Persian, which is Farsi, if I'm correct. But Pashto and Farsi are not the same. So here's Spanish. You literally hit Translate, and it's auto-generating the subtitles, and you just wait a minute for it to be done. When it's done, you simply click Done in the corner, and up here you can export the project. And you want to export it as an MP4. I've never played with any of these things, but suppose you can if you want. This is how big the file is. It's not that big. Export. And it's going to take a little bit for this to export, but when it's done, you can download it or there is a link. So you just have to wait for it to process. It takes a little bit. So once it's done, here you can check it out what it looks like.
From a video,
it adds subtitles to your video.
First of all, you have to have the video downloaded.
Then you can simply copy the link here, email that link to someone, or if you want the whole file, simply download the file. And there you have it, using Kapwing or Kapwing.